Hey guys, welcome to another Warhead tutorial. In this video, we'll be showing you how to add custom head code using the theme builder page settings. Head code is simply any type of custom code that you want to insert between the opening and closing head tags within your web page's source code. Let's get started. The first thing we want to do is navigate to the page settings by clicking the settings cog here. And as you can see, there are lots of different types of page settings, but the head code setting is under the general settings. Alright, now the head code gets added in this box here. You can see there already is some head code on this example. And we're just going to go ahead and add another little snippet right there. We just added some JavaScript that's going to allow us to use font awesome icons on our website. Once the head code is inserted, click the apply button to apply the code. And as you can see, now we have some great font awesome icons here. And you can go back to the settings and see that our head code has been applied, and now it's there. Alright, you've just seen how quick and easy it is to add custom head code using the Warhead theme builder page settings. Stay tuned for future tutorials where we show you how to use more page settings in Warhead. Thanks for watching.